Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use QuickBooks for small business. QuickBooks is an accounting software that helps you manage your finances, track expenses, and make informed business decisions. First, you need to set up your QuickBooks account. Start by creating a company file, which will serve as the foundation of your accounting system. Enter your business name, address, and industry, and then set up your chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is a list of all your assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Next, you need to set up your accounts, including your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. Link your bank accounts to QuickBooks to automatically download transactions and reconcile your accounts. You can also set up your payment terms, sales tax, and invoice templates. Now, let's move on to tracking expenses. You can enter expenses manually or upload receipts using the QuickBooks mobile app. Categorize your expenses by type, such as rent, utilities, or office supplies. You can also set up expense accounts for specific projects or jobs. In addition to tracking expenses, you need to manage your income. Create invoices for your customers and track payments. You can set up recurring invoices for regular customers and send reminders for overdue payments. Another important feature of QuickBooks is reporting. You can generate financial reports, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. These reports will help you understand your business's financial performance and make informed decisions. Finally, it's essential to maintain your QuickBooks account regularly. Reconcile your accounts, update your chart of accounts, and review your financial reports. You can also use the QuickBooks audit trail to track changes made to your account. By following these steps, you can effectively use QuickBooks to manage your small business finances. Remember to stay organized, keep your accounts up to date, and regularly review your financial reports to make informed business decisions. With QuickBooks, you can streamline your accounting processes, reduce errors, and focus on growing your business.